sample, 24 grams of the sample. And the sample is calcium trisulfide 4. So we want to find the mass of calcium present in 24 grams of pure calcium trisulfide 4. So in this video, we're going to use the method of dimensional analysis. Calcium trioxosulfate 4 contains calcium. So this is a direct relationship. There will be 2 units in the computation. Let's start straight off with the calculation of the molar mass of calcium trioxosulfate 4. The molar mass of CaSO3. And from the given relative atomic masses, we can easily find this. We have calcium. The relative atomic mass of calcium provided is 40, plus the relative atomic mass of sulfur given in the question is 32. Of course, these values have been given to the nearest whole number because this is a multiple choice calculation. So not the exact values on the periodic table. Plus, oxygen occurs 3 times, as we have seen. So we have relative atomic mass of oxygen, 16, multiplied by 3. And upon evaluation of this, 60 multiplied by 3 gives us 48. 48 plus 32 gives 80. 80 plus 40, 120. So the molar mass of CaSO3 is 120 grams per mole. What does this mean? This means 120 grams per mole. 1 mole of the compound, CaSO3, has a mass of 120 grams. This is the meaning. And now it is important to note right here, of this 120 grams, 40 has been contributed by calcium. So this is the mass contributed by calcium. And therefore, we can set up our relationship. So in the dimensional analysis, we want to proceed from the given mass, 24.0 gram of the sample, which is CaSO3. And now we have to multiply with the intention of cancelling the units on the left based on the relationship containing this unit, grams of CaSO3. We can draw that from the molar mass. Molar mass of CaSO3, we can draw that. 120 grams of CaSO3. CaSO3 intended here. 120 grams of CaSO3 from the molar mass we calculated contains 40 grams of calcium right there. So we can maintain 40 grams of calcium. And this is what I said from the beginning. There will be 2 units in the calculation. First unit and the second unit. And that is represented here. This is the first unit and that is the second unit. So calcium trisulfate 4 leading into calcium. All right. And that's it. And we can already see here, gram of calcium trisulfate 4 cancels out gram of calcium trisulfate 4. And by multiplying and dividing appropriately, we have our final answer. These values are simple values, so we don't really need a calculator here. 12 can divide into 120 10 times. 12 can divide into 24, that's 2 times. And of course, the zeros give way right there, so that we have 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8.0 grams of calcium. And this is our final answer. Very simple and very beautiful. And of course, the option D right there gives us the answer. Now attached to this video are 2 quizzes which I recommend you take in order to test your comprehension of the content of this video. Also provided in the pinned comment, there is a link that takes you to the test, a comprehensive test on chemical composition stoichiometry. I highly recommend you take the test. This will help you establish your mastery or understanding of the topic. And finally, there is the link in the pinned comment also. If you feel compelled to study the topic fully, there's a full presentation of the topic, chemical composition stoichiometry, and the link is provided in the pinned comment. So study, learn, and enjoy. Thank you for being part of the session. And of course, I will see you in my next video.